Don't decide is our topic for today. So, what do you think about the topic? Don't decide.
How is having you should be from the doctor's side.
Yeah, it's a feeling each and every of us feels. We constantly think about what will happen in the future. Most of our sadness comes from that perspective.
So you're saying we should just live life, do not worry about it.
No,
You should just try to strike a balance. Too old, feeling like you are not taking action and acting like you are not feeling.
there is a beautiful verse in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 286. So, it's like this verse is a beacon of hope actually. It's a promise we can hold on to. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi everyone. Welcome to the Teen Cycle, our second episode. A cycle where we talk and discuss about crucial topics, the topics that are close to our hearts. We know that sadness, it's a feeling that each and every one of us feel because of trials, worry, or hardship. However, Islam came with strong teachings that not let us with our sadness, but rather it teaches us the way to let go of it, to rely on Allah the Most High, and to pay our supplications to Him to let us out of our worries. I'm Fatma Sheikh Muhammad, and together with me is
And Ibrahim Murtala.
You?
So I have mentioned before, that Islam came with a lot of teachings, many from the Quran, from the Hadith. You can also remember that verse, right? That Allah Subhanahu wa Taala talked about when Prophet is talking about the Let us recall that verse.
From the Surah Al-Tawbah, I guess. Yeah. It's during the Hijrah period when they entered that cave of Saul. So an biyo su a baya ko? So mutanen da suka zo sai na Abubakar sai tunanin za su riska musu. Shi ne sai ya ce wa shugaba makarasar sallallahu su ke gaya mai la ta hazan. So shi ne Allah yake kawo mana kisa yadda abin ya faru. Shi ne yake gaya wa sahabbai a lokacin da za ta tafi yakin Tabuk yake gaya mai. إلا تنصروا فقد نصره الله إذا كان الذين كفروا سيئة إذ ما في اليد إذ يقول لصاحبه لا تحزن. Wannan magana ta la ta zan ita ce tafi ɗin shine wanda za mu discuss ne insha Allah.
Yeah, that has don't decide is our topic for today. So, from different perspective, like don't be sad, it has different angles, right? Each and every of us may have his own perspective about it. So, what do you think about the topic? Don't decide. Like, yeah.
How is having you should be from the doctor's side.
Yeah, Dr. Ibrahim.
I don't know.
What is your take on sadness?
Sadness is just an emotion, a feeling. You like, some feelings. There are some stuff that there are feelings that you get internally, but they manifest physically. They manifest outside. So I can say sadness is a mix of feelings you get. Maybe you get sad when like a family member of yours dies, right? And you maybe in the future you recall the memories and you get sad. So that feeling is grief, right? And then we can say sadness can also manifest to other emotions, like I said. So I guess sadness is just a mix of different emotions that make you worry, or like fear, or struggle, or different challenges you get. So I guess that's
or maybe you can just say just bad feelings.
But yeah,
it can paralyze or just
we can never let go of, like we can't run away from it. That is why we should discuss like how to deal with it. What do you think is the way for us to start? Is a start for us to let go of our sadness, since it's a feeling each and every of us feels. Yeah. So, Imam, or you?
Like the best way to get rid of
to get rid of sadness. The person must limit overthinking. Like, we constantly think about what will happen in the future, and it didn't even happen yet. But most of our sadness comes from that perspective. That's from my own perspective. We worry about what the future holds. What if this happens? What if this plan fails? Am I capable? My career, family, and ability to fulfill other responsibilities. So when you found yourself overwhelming in that moment, don't just stay up nights thinking about, am I capable of doing this? What if this plan fails? No, that's not the right thing to do. Maybe remind yourself. There is a beautiful verse in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 286, that Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear, right? So it's like this verse is a beacon of hope actually. It's a promise we can hold on to. We can hold on to it as all the worries, trials, they are within our capacity to handle. Because Allah cannot give something that's too heavy for us to bear.
You're saying you should just live life. Do not worry about it.
No,
Yeah,
even
it's
life
not.
isn't just about ignoring your future.
Yeah. Just don't worry too much. Just enjoy the present moment.
But make the effort as well.
Yeah.
We shouldn't just rely on Allah. We should make the effort, make our supplications, and then rely on Allah. Wait for the outcomes. You are the one to put the domain. You are the one to put the domain and wait for the range.
Okay, yeah. Great mathematician. Yeah. But you should just try to strike a balance. Too old. Feel like you are not taking action and act like you are not praying. You know, wannan kamar za mu samu misali shi kasan rayuwar shugaba sallallahu alaihi wasallam ana ake samun misalai kamar shi ne malamin halitta. So dan ka duba wannan a inda ake aiki kamar ba a yi ba addu'a kuma aka yi addu'a kamar ba aiki babu ranar da aka duba misali kamar ranar yakin Badar. Yanda aka zo bayan an zo an shirya sojoji an jera su an shirya su yanda za su fuskanci makiya sannan kuma sai aka mai tanti da ya shiga yana addu'a yana ta addu'a Allah nasarar da kai alƙawari yana ta addu'a har sai da na Abubakar yake gaya mai Allah ya anshi addu'a kai ce Abubakar baka san Allah to abin da zaka lura anan ba wai an yi addu'a bane kadai ba a yi addu'a bane ba kadai sai da aka shirya sojojin kuma an shirya shi shirin da ya kamata a ce aka ganta an yi striking balance din so duk yanda mutum yake a rayuwa yayi addu'a shi baya aiki baya saboda shi ne zaka samu sauki so shi ne da balance din da ake kokarin striking din
and also letting go of what you can't control. You see, there are some certain things that we think are some things are really beyond our control. We can't control it, and we are trying to control it. So then you must be sad. Try control what is not even within your limit. You are escaping your limit. Everything has its limit. So we are back to the maths again. I can remember our maths lecturer when we were doing it. He said, "What is limit?" We said, "Iyaka." Like that is the life. We are all the same. Kowa, dukan mu mutane ne, right? The president and we, but what? We have different limit. She limit din shi is very wide. Akwai inda zai reach mu da ba za mu iya reaching, right? And the other individuals as well. So I think the main difference is the limit. We should let go of what we can't control. We should know that happiness will not come from circumstances, but rather it comes from faith. If we believe that inner peace is not from what we do around us, like the physical aspect, but rather from within. If we really want to be happy, then it's not from our environment. It's really from us. It's from the faith you have from Allah. How you believe, how you rely on Him, how you make supplication, just like how you said earlier. And the Prophet ﷺ, no, it's not the Prophet, it's Imam al-Basri, right? He said that what is meant for us will never miss us.
Yeah,
and what is not meant for us, it's a hadith that is said by Imam al-Basri.
Yeah. Okay.
The Prophet ﷺ, Imam al-Basri.
it's hadith in the An-Nawawi collection.
Yeah. So if we bear this in mind that whatever is meant for us is ours, and whatever is not us will never be ours, no matter how we strive for it.
So just don't stress yourself.
Yeah, don't stress yourself. We can say that, but that does not mean you should be lazy.
Yeah, of course. Letting go of what you can control. You can't I think that comes down to action. So maybe you do an action. You don't need to expect anything from anyone. Yeah, that's sincerity, right?
Yeah.
You do an action, you just expect your reward from Allah and don't buy anything from anyone. I think if if you put that in mind, like you don't need anything from anyone, that will help you cope with the stress of not like depending on anyone.
Looking for
Yeah,
attention, being on the spotlight, like
Yeah.
Ria. Can they call it as Ria?
So that will
Well,
also
not really real. Because if you expect something from someone, that is not natural, right?
No,
Our life expectation.
not
Expectations is
expectation.
natural. We would like to run away from it. But we all expect some certain
Sometimes
akwai wanda like baka da lafiya, someone is so close to you, ya ce maka ya jiki ba, like you feel it, right?
oh, now but kuma wannan like you didn't do an action. So something maybe kind of like you did it totally for the sincerity of Allah. But okay, you don't want to.
Yeah.
But kuma you still feel a bit better. Maybe I need thanking
Yeah,
for the action that you did. Kai baka expecting ko like kawai dai kai dan
ba kai
Allah
tsammanin ba dama ba kai dama kai dan Allah kai.
amma ko in an yi ne ko maybe ka ba wani ka still za ka dan ji daɗi in yi gode maka ba wai dan ka gode mai ba kuma saka ka jin daɗi. So I just if you even remove that you just don't expect anything. I think I even remember some stories of Sahaba. I can't remember any, but when they give give gifts, when you thank them, some will say, "Do not thank him, thank Allah. It's Allah that you need to." All those stuff. That will also help you cope with not relying on people and stuff like that, which is also like gives you like freedom of like not being anxious about stuff that might.
And that really with the month we are currently in, Ramadan, right? Yeah. If you give the sadaqah, when you give some charity to the poor, it does not really mean you thank you, even though if you thank you, you're still good. Just do it for the sake of Allah.
Wani in baka ce mai ka gode ba zai ƙara ba.
It's for the sake of Allah.
Yeah, so currently you from the receiver's end, it's a polite, modest behavior. You show politeness, thank Allah and thank the. But kuma you and from the sender, like shouldn't even expect like who be mapa. Like
dama dai kai dan Allah.
So that's a very
Gane
good
fa Allah da
Allah muka lura da
Yo.
So that's
and actually wannan kuma dama shi dama in kai aikin ma dama tunanin a yaba ma in ba a yaba ba zai saka ka shiga kamar ko anxiety ko kamar me kike mishi ne necessity ne ko menene necessism masu san yawa I acknowledging kamar spot they want to be on the spotlight they will be doing things just to attract attention understand so at the end idan sun yi aikin gashi nan ba lada kuma a ƙarshe kuma ga bacin rai ba ga ne Allah ya cewa wa ma'amilu min abin faji Allah ko haba'an mu sai ka zo ta tashin alƙiyama mutum ya tunanin ya yi aiki kana zuwa ya gan shi kamar kura abin shi ke babu to da dama ta yi ne dan shi ne shi kuma ya daidai kaga da hadisin annawawi na number 1 ko inna malamalu bin ya ko sun zama yawwa to ka gani wannan niyyar da kai dama ka yi niyya ne dan mutane su yaba kuma gashi ba su yaba ga ɓaci rai kuma
ka san yaba
to ka gani shine wanda aka yi wa falas ko da mun ja magana da yawa